about a remarkable moment in your lifetime. Now, if I tell you that this moment can also be marked into your DNA sequence, would you believe me? There's something called epigenetics, which is a science field that studies modifications on the genome without changing the DNA sequence itself. This happens through mechanisms such as histone modification, chromatin remodeling, non-coding RNAs, and mainly DNA methylation. So allow me to explain you this one. Having control on whether or not a gene or entire package of DNA will be expressed or even transcribed, DNA methylation is a process which methyl groups are added to cytosine followed by guanine by DNMT enzymes, responsible for setting and copying methylation patterns. It's believed that DNMT flips cytosine 180 degrees, then obtains methyl generally from same molecule due to its higher transfer potential. The methylated cytosine has methyl on its fifth carbon, being called 5-methylcytosine. Furthermore, methylation can be reversed with a process called demethylation, triggered by specific proteins and molecules. This mechanism is important in order to regulate our cells, but it can lead to diseases such as cancer by silencing tumor suppressors with hyper and hypomethylation around the genome. So let's take twins into consideration. Despite having the same DNA sequence, they present different DNA methylation. But how is that possible? The environment has a great impact on epigenetic mechanism. Habits such as drinking and smoking and diets with unbalanced nutrients can lead to changes on methylation. Throughout life, those changes become even more clear. Contact with pollution and long-term sun exposure can alter the genome as well. Early life experiences such as childhood trauma and malnutrition can lead to changes in individual behavior and alter the risk of developing certain diseases. So that remarkable moment that we talked about at the beginning of the video can be marked into your genome, but it can also have gone away. The thing is, we're not only formed by our actions, but are also a result of actions taken before us. Even more, we're responsible for marks left in future generations. Even though we don't understand the mechanisms of it, we might as well try and take care.